Greg Hawks here. I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I saw on my Twitter yesterday as a new option. It's called Twitter Spaces. It looks a lot like Clubhouse. So it's very interesting. It's an auditory chat room type of function, and it's got some cool features like you can change your voice. You can sound like a robot. You can sound like a mysterious stalker type. It's pretty cool in that respect. But it's built around the same kind of mentality, the same kind of function. So you can create a room, you can invite people into the room, and you can just talk. So it's pretty cool that you can do this on multiple platforms now. So you can look through the list, you can join a room. As you can see, there's speakers, there's listeners. It's very much geared like Clubhouse. So there's a lot of random groups that you can join, rooms that you can join. I haven't seen, like I said, a whole lot of talent acquisition or sourcing or recruiting in this, but it's still in beta, so it's still very new. And right here, what I'm doing is I'm creating a room, and you can invite people into the room in just a second. So right here, I'm inviting people in, and nobody's going to join because I'm just kind of testing this out, but I wanted to show you the functionality. I know my friend Michael Goldberg will probably jump on this pretty quickly because he's a Clubhouse master. So a shout out to him and see some of his stuff if you haven't already. And that's it. So thanks for joining, and I will see you on the next one.